So here is the Hot 60 Pro, and there's some specifications. You can read it right here. 8 GB 256. The main feature is actually 6.6 mm. Let's see, unboxing and see what is the, I don't know, here is something. Okay, down is just I was interesting about this mobile because this is quite thin, 6.6 mm. It's a quite thin mobile. Let's open it right here. It's a gray titanium. Let's put the on the side. Okay, put it here. Okay, they give the number. Maybe the same. Free. Hall 60 manual. Licensed by, not powered by, but licensed by. So there's a case. It's not soft, but it's not that hard. Kind of middle of the both. And here's the 45-watt charger. Okay, that's all. So let's put everything on the side and let's do the unboxing, unwrapping, or just press from the down. And it's already a screen protector here. It's really thin. If you see, it's really thin. I can feel it from all angles. That thing makes me interested to get this mobile, and now I'm not get paid or bought from the get it from the company, but I just buy myself. You can check how many seconds it's boot up. You can check the timing from now. Yes, quite nice. Headphone jack here, speaker type C, and this is mic, SIM card. Let's open the SIM card tray so you don't know. Okay, start here. Already started actually. Okay, it will do it, but first I want to check. Okay, that's good. Here, I feel there's a waterproofing rubber here, and they have two SIMs and dedicated SD card slot. That's good. So you can use more than 1 terabyte or 512 GB. Okay. There's a waterproof ceiling there, and that's quite good thing. I don't know from here or here. See, sometimes you don't have to press harder. You have to see where it's go easier, so you have to go that way. Sometimes people can press in the wrong direction, and it's really can be problematic. Okay, let me do quickly here. Okay, skip. I don't like to give my location and this kind of stuff to these companies. Are not okay. Gesture. Okay, next. Get ready, and here is going to open just like that. This is the default mode. Okay, I'm going to my next video I'm going to compare this one with Samsung Galaxy A16, because almost the same price. So first open the camera. There's no ultra wide camera actually. Seems like a 3 camera, but there's no ultra wide camera, but still. Okay, change. Yeah, quite wide angle. If you see, it's quite wide angle, but if you go to video, it become near. So maximum 2K recording here, but the stabilization mode is off. It will on the full HD, I think. Yes, but if it's 2K, no, it will be on 30 frame, not 60 frame full HD stabilization mode. But if you go for higher, it's automatically off. But you can see the angle is more wider. But if I go to normal, the angle is more narrow. So that's the difference. Okay, now let's go my phone, and there's some specification here. You can see. I'm going to do some battery test, and then some gaming test. The next is just a quick unboxing. Okay, when I click on the battery, nothing here. Android 15 and storage. Use 21 GB. Already 21 GB is used. So if you go for 128 GB model, I will recommend go just for 256, because already 21 GB almost using by the system. And if next update or install the games or everything, it's gonna be very quick. So yeah, and here is the update. But okay, of course it's not connected to the internet yet. So here's the screen, super resolution, eye comfort display. So yeah, that's all. And next I'm going to make a review for the camera and the battery test and the gaming test. So stay tuned. Thumbs up. One thing I like it here, the button. This button dedicated. If you see here, have a small press, like a grip, and it's quite nice. This is action button, extra button. This is the power button, as you can see, and this is volume rocker. And in the silver, actually they give the nice bezels like golden touch. For me, it's okay. If you get the orange version, might be it's look more match, but so far it's nice, unique. Nothing special, but really it slims. I mean, if I choose like standard phone like I have here near to me, is quite slim actually. This is Vivo 6.8, but actually the camera bezels make it. But this is a curved screen, Vivo V30e. This is Vivo V30e, and this is not curved, so I can feel actually both are same. This 6.8 actually, and this 6.6. But if you see here, might be you can feel from here because the color difference. Vivo V30 is quite slim mobile, but if I put it here, it's look like this slimmer. The reason is only the bezels, because this is a curved screen. This is the curved screen, so that's why it's look like slightly more, because curved screen is give a good different look. But actually this is slightly more slimmer than this. And the bezel with the camera here, okay, if you feel it that Vivo slightly more thicker, from here I can make you a little bit more better way. Yeah, anyway, that's the Infinix Hot 60 Pro. So yeah, and actually here is another mobile. This is Samsung A16, and if you see the comparison with Samsung A16 thickness, that is thicker. Even this is more thicker, but slightly look, because the difference is only 0.0 centimeter. So as you can see, the both mobile is, this is, I'm going to comparison for the camera on the both mobiles. This is Samsung A16 4G versus Hot 60 Pro Infinix. So next I'm going to compare the camera side by side and the game battery, and like, okay.